Good evening, my friend. Welcome back to English Fluent Forge. My name is Tom. Tonight, slow your breath. Let your shoulders relax. The day is finished. Now we listen. Tonight, I want to tell you a story. Not a loud story. Not a fast story. A quiet story. It is about an old idea. An idea that has guided leaders, travelers, teachers, and dreamers. The idea is simple. Start with why. This idea comes from a book written by Simon Sinek. But don't worry. Tonight we use gentle words. Soft English. Clear English. This story is not only about business. It is about meaning. It is about purpose. And it is about you. Long ago, before books and apps, before screens and exams, people lived by purpose. They did not wake up asking, "What should I do today?" They woke up asking, "Why do I live? Why do I walk this path? Why do I learn? Why do I continue?" This question, why, is very old. And it is very powerful. Many people begin learning English with excitement. Like the beginning of a journey. They buy books. They download apps. They listen to voices from faraway places. But after some time the fire becomes small. The road feels long. And slowly they stop. Not because they are weak. Not because they are lazy. But because they forgot their why. Simon Sinek tells us about something called the golden circle. Imagine 3 circles. Like ancient rings carved in stone. At the center is why. Rounded is how. And on the outside is what. Most people live on the outside circle. They talk about what they do, what book they use, what method they follow. But the strongest people, the calmest people, start in the center. They start with why. Why do you want to speak English? Not quickly, not for someone else, but truly. Is it for freedom? To move through the world without fear? Is it for connection? To speak and to be heard? Is it for confidence? To stand taller inside yourself? Your why does not need to be big. It only needs to be honest. There is a quiet truth in this book. The human brain listens differently to why. Facts speak to the mind. But why speaks to the heart. And the heart remembers. This is why you can know many grammar rules but still feel silent. Knowledge without meaning fades. Meaning without pressure lasts. Let me tell you a small bedtime story. 2 learners walk the same road. The first learner studies every day, but his heart feels heavy. He says, "I must learn English." And the road feels long. The second learner also studies every day, but her steps are calm. She says, "I choose to learn English, because it is part of who I am becoming." Same road, different why, different journey. Great leaders throughout history understood this. They did not say, "Follow me because you have to." They said, "Follow me because you believe." And tonight you become a gentle leader for yourself. You do not say, "I have to study English." You say, "I choose to learn." Fully, calmly, with meaning. Now listen closely. This part is important. Clear English is strong English. Not long sentences. Not difficult words. Simple words. Honest meaning. Like a candle in the dark. Clarity brings peace. And peace allows learning. If you feel tired, that is okay. Progress feels slow, that is okay. Tonight you do not need motivation. You only need remembrance. Remember why you started. When the why is alive, the path continues, even one small step at a time. Now take one last deep breath. You are learning. You are growing. You are allowed to be imperfect. And English is becoming part of your story. Thank you for listening. As the night grows quieter and the world outside slowly falls asleep, let us continue. Imagine an old road. A road walked by many people before you. Some walked it with fear. Some walked it with hope. But the road itself never changed. Only the reason for walking did. This is how learning English feels. The path is the same. Words, sounds, mistakes, silence. But the meaning behind the journey changes everything. Long ago, storytellers knew this secret. They sat near firelight. They spoke slowly, not to impress, but to connect. Their words were simple, but their meaning was deep. People listened, not because the words were perfect, but because the story felt true. English is like that. When you stop trying to sound perfect, when you stop chasing speed, English becomes softer, becomes human. Many learners believe something quietly. They may not say it out loud, but they feel it. They feel, I am late. I should be better by now. I am behind others. These thoughts are heavy. They make learning feel like a race. But learning was never a race. Language is a home, and homes are built slowly, brick by brick, day by day. Let us pause for a moment. Think of a child learning to speak. The child does not hurry. The child does not compare. The child repeats. The child listens. The child plays with sound. And slowly, without pressure, language grows. You are allowed to learn like this too. In this quiet moment, remember this. Your accent is not a problem. Your mistakes are not failures. Your silence is not weakness. They are signs of learning. Every pause is a bridge. Every mistake is movement. The night understands this. There is another idea hidden in Start with Why. When your why is clear, you stop asking too many questions. You no longer ask, is this the best method? You ask, does this help my purpose? And this brings peace. Because peace removes noise. And quiet allows growth. Some nights you may feel tired of English. On those nights, do less. Listen instead of speaking. Breathe instead of pushing. Even 5 calm minutes keep the door open. The goal is not speed. The goal is continuation. History teaches us something gentle. The strongest movements were not loud in the beginning. They started quietly, in small rooms, in calm hearts. English can grow the same way, not as pressure, but as presence. Now imagine your future self. Not perfect, not famous, just calm. You speak English, not fast, not loud, but clearly, comfortably. People listen, not because you are impressive, but because you are real. This future is not far. It is built tonight, with one small choice. That choice is simple. I learn English because it connects me to the world. Hold that sentence. Let it rest inside you. This is your why. As the night deepens, let your mind slow. You do not need to remember everything. You only need to remember meaning. Meaning stays. Thank yourself for listening, for continuing, for choosing growth over fear. The road is still here, and you're still walking, slowly, calmly, with purpose. Good night, Crescent Moon.